Go ahead. Whoa. What's your favorite Ninja Turtle?
It's another one.
Whoa. Another Ninja Turtle. Oh boy. So yeah, you got Spider-Man, now you got Ninja Turtles.
I don't know how to open it.
I'll open it.
You're welcome.
What's that?
That's your message.
Says happy 3rd birthday, Rocco.
The Ninja Turtles came and wrote it for you.
What's that birthday right there?
That's for later.
Yeah.
Are you thirsty?
Oh.
Can you go get me a juice real quick out of the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Please. I'm thirsty.
Not juicy.
You go get a yogurt. Hmm?
I do it.
Well, can you open the refrigerator door for me, please?
Open the
Oh,
door.
I'll help you. Come on. I need help. Come on. Come on, I need help. I need help. Okay, well, whatever's in there, I'll now open it. What's that?
Whoa, I want it.
I can't get it. You gotta get it. Oh, now you want to get it? Oh, you meanie.
Done. Done. I'm gonna open it.
You ready for your party tonight?
Yes. Whoa!
Another one.
Open it.
All
You got all
right.
of them?
Yeah, all of them.
Ooh.
That's so good. That's the big
I'll be saving this one for when you wake up in the morning.
Oh, yay. How the first? Open this first. Open it.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Another one.
Whoa.
Now you got them all.
Yeah. Raphael.
Where's Donatello?
Oh, that toes off. Yeah! Whoa! You? What the difference? I'll do myself. What is this do? Oh, yay. Oh, yay. Yeah. That both do.
Look. Look at the camera and say, happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, me.
And when you finally see this video, you'll probably be older. Say hi, me.
Hi, me.